Hello everybody, this is Patrick with Rocky Mountain Style. Today we're doing an old school unboxing. There's no intro. I haven't worn these yet. I'm unboxing these and then posting this in YouTube within 24 hours. So of course I have a pair of Koio Capris here. I've had these on my radar for quite a while. You know, I'm a fan of minimalist sneakers, especially in the warmer months. And a lot of people call these, perhaps the best. Not a cheap shoe, almost 300 bucks. I think 295 at full MSRP. I did get these at 20% off. Friend of the channel, Office Patina, notified me that there is a 20% off sale, and he knew I was looking at these. So appreciate that. Appreciate you letting me know so I could grab them and save a few bucks. But I also ordered some shoe trees. I figure with $300 sneakers, I might as well keep them shapely as long as I can. So I'm not going to open those right now, but I'm sure they look and work just fine. All right, so I've had a lot of different minimalist sneakers over the years. From cheap to mid-range. Never had real pricey ones, so really looking forward to these. All right, got a shoe bag, Koio, New York City. Cool. We've got a little card here from. I'm going to tear that off. Giuliano, looks like a stamp. If that's not a stamp, that's quite a good handwriting. No, I think that's a stamp. Yeah, number 1475. All right, cool. QC'd by Giuliano. Hopefully you ate your Wheaties that particular day. And here we go. Yeah, very cool. All right, I'm going to readjust the focus here. All right, so that's a minimalist sneaker, as you would expect. They're very light, even with this in there. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Yeah, they're very light. The leather looks really nice and smooth. The soles look nice. Koio branding there. Do some up closes here of the stitching. Nice silhouette. Don't see any issues. I like that they're laced crosswise. So many, just for pictures, they lace them, in the bar way. Not a big fan of those. I prefer it like this, so I like when they actually come this way, so I don't have to immediately open them up and change them. A little bit of branding on the back, but not filled in with any color, so I think that's fine. I think it's fine to have one piece of branding, and you've got it on the tongue, which no one really sees anyway, so that's fine. Koio, New York. Got a little logo there. Looks like we got, the insole, the insert here feels, it's like a leather line, so it's not a textile, which is nice. You got some rough out leather there to avoid heel slip. Otherwise, the interior, of course, is fully leather lined. A little bit of padding here around the collar, padded tongue. But yeah, it's pretty much exactly what you want in a minimalist, it's hard to say quickly, minimalist sneaker. So yeah, nice silhouette, nice and pretty. Let's look at the other one real quick, and then we will end the video. I'm not going to try these on video. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep this as quick as possible. Oh yeah, reminder, got these in a size 10, which is, generally I wear a 10.5 in sneakers, a 10 in boots, 9.5 in boots, dress shoes, and loafers sometimes. So I figured 10 would probably be a safe bet. Didn't want to get them too big because there's a good chance I'll also be wearing these sockless at times since they're leather lined. Sometimes I like to do that when it's really hot outside. May not be your cup of tea, that's fine. It wasn't always my cup of tea either, but I think it's okay sometimes. Yeah, that one looks beautiful also. So I will be wearing these around and doing updates on these throughout the spring and summer here on Rocky Mountain Style. So if you're interested to see how these break in, or my thoughts on the fit, a month down the line after I've worn them a while and the comfort, please subscribe and stick around, and yeah, you can catch those updates. But yeah, thanks a lot for your time today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.